Hello, it's time again for some trivia with GK benefits. Fact: taxonomically, life forms are divided into 6 kingdoms: plants, animals, fungi, protists, eubacteria, and archaebacteria. The first 4 belong to a domain known as eukaryotes, sporting cells with distinct nuclei. The other 2 kingdoms, eubacteria and archaebacteria, are single-celled organisms without a distinct nucleus. Hypothesis: every living thing on Earth, from baboons to bacteria, from bluebells to blue whales, red beetles to redwood trees to red Indians and us, is thought to be descended from one single entity, a sort of primitive cell. This is LUCA. You probably think you don't know LUCA, but here's the thing: you are LUCA. Sometimes referred to as the microbial Eve, LUCA, or Last Universal Common Ancestor, was a single-celled ancient microorganism that existed billions of years ago, serving that one common genetic ancestor to all forms of life on our planet today. The idea that all life is related by common ancestry can be traced to the publication of The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. It was brought out in 1859, in which he wrote in the last chapter of his book, "I should infer from analogy that probably all the organic beings which have ever lived on this earth have descended from some one primordial form into which life was first breathed." But LUCA is not the origin of life. It's believed the origin of life happened 3.5 to 4.1 billion years ago, and LUCA is thought to have lived 3.5 to 2.5 billion years ago. During the 500 million years that separated LUCA and the origin of our kind of life, the DNA had to evolve into a somewhat functional system. So where did LUCA live, and what did LUCA eat? Earth's early atmosphere at that time didn't contain oxygen, so LUCA likely was an obligate anaerobic organism. This sole event is similar to the environment LUCA would have lived in. It also didn't rely on other organisms for survival, simply because there weren't a lot around at that time. LUCA thrived in a primordial iron-sulfur-rich soup. Just another reason why we must all respect, care for, nurture, and sustain all the flora and fauna on planet Earth, because Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We are one and we are from one. LUCA. Till next time, it's cheerio.